We'll find it. Get that bottle from him. Here. He's got the thing in his hands. Turn it down. Hey there, John.
Hey, Miss G.
How you doing?
I'm okay. How about yourself?
I'm good. Kind of stressful here right now because you can hear my grandson crying in the back, I'm sure.
Yeah, Miss G. If I can
No. Let's go ahead and do it.
Okay.
I'd rather get it done. I'm the type of person that would rather get it done than leave it hanging out.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So
is anybody else coming?
I don't know if they will or not.
Okay. Alrighty. So
go ahead and pull up your file.
Okay, I have it up.
And share it.
It says it's disabled.
Okay. Okay. That should do it.
Let me see screen 2. All right, can you see it?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So where I was having the issue with was going back to creating a form. So it was, this is week 8. So I think it was week 7 that you showed us how to create the forms.
Okay. I'm going to show you an easy one. Close out all of this that you have opened. Let me take a look at your relationships real quick. Close out everything but the relationships. Okay, looks good.
Right.
I'll get rid of that payment type 1. You said that always, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so this looks good. So close out this relationship. And you want to start with the form? Is that what you want to do? Create?
Yes.
Form, stay with the form wizard. Do not try to do it on your own. Form wizard, it's over to the right. Where you had form design, right there at the top. Over, there you go.
Form wizard, let me write that down. Okay.
Click on it. All right, so the first thing we're going to do the client. So pull down where it says tables, queries, pull down and choose client.
Yep.
Send everything over. That's the double one. Then pull, we're not done. Pull down client history.
Yes.
And data service goes over. Amount charged and goes over. All right, so we got EMP ID. We're going to come back and do something different with that. Take over amount PD and payment. All right, then pull the tables queries down. Do employee and send over name, employee name. All right, say next. And that looks by client, that looks good. Say next. Next. Oh, wait a minute. Go back. Data sheet is good. Next. And finish. You're done.
Wow. Okay. So I brought over client history.
So what goes on is you can go, if you look at the bottom where I can't see, you're going to have the arrowheads that point back and forth the way bottom. So you've got 6 clients.
Oh, okay, yes.
So you can go through one client at a time and see what they've done. And then the other thing that we can do, like where it says data service, double click on the
Data
column. Yeah, double over to the right, keep going, and you missed it.
Oh, just a little arrow?
Yeah, not that arrow, not that arrow, cancel. Or okay, in between, you're gonna get a double-headed arrowhead, double click.
Yep.
Do the same thing for amount charged. Double-headed arrow, click, double-headed arrow, click, so that way we can get them all showing.
Oh, get everything in there, okay.
Now that employee name, we'd have to go in, click on view, up at the top, design, no, view design. And this right-hand side of the form, click on it.
Where at?
Yeah, right there, and drag it to the right. And let go. And then the sub form, you're gonna make it bigger. So click on it. Click on it and make it get the arrowhead, not that's the move, you're moving it.
Yep. Just get right there.
There, you had it. Yep. And now view design or view whatever. And then you'll have to go in and, you know, clean those up again.
So
and
that
now
was
you
it.
that was it.
And then so I could just go in there to design and then just bring it back over because it was just these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You can play with the sizing of the sub form and everything.
Okay, so that's a form. Okay, and then a query. So I played with this one week 7. I just did one, just playing around with it. So can you run me through a query?
Yeah. What we're gonna do? Go open expense for me. And all right, so we're gonna pull all payroll expenses from expense. So go to create query wizard. Next or okay. And expense, send over expense ID.
So these expense IDs, they weren't auto numbers. I just put those numbers in there.
That's okay.
Okay.
Pull down the table and do expense type. Send over expense type. Then go back to expense table.
Expense table?
Yeah. And send over the rest of it.
All of it?
Aiden. Click OK or next. All right, I'm gonna click on next. Give me a second. I have a catastrophe.
Okay, no problem.
Aiden, stay out of my stuff.
Hey, John. This is James, man. How's it going?
Hey, what's going on, brother?
Listening in, but I'm not saying anything. I want to get this recording after you guys are done.
Yeah, I think Miss G's recording.
I am recording it.
Yeah, she's recording too.
Oh, great.
All right, so we're gonna.
I would like to have this.
We're gonna.
You can't see it, James?
Say what?
I think he said he couldn't see it or something, Miss G.
I can see it. I can see it now. I can see it.
Oh, okay.
Click open the query and then finish.
Okay, so it's already clicked, so hit finish.
All right, click on view. This is not what I wanted. Under home.
Oh.
It's okay. We're just gonna fix it up. View, Design view.
Design.
Mm-hmm. And so what we want for the expense type, come down to where it says criteria expense type. Keep
Right
going
here.
over right there, not down below that. Down below, we're on the criteria line. Click.
Oh, okay. This one right here?
On the criteria line, right there.
Yep.
Equals.
Sorry.
Oh, get rid of the equals, I'm sorry.
No problem.
Put a bracket. Enter, no, that's a brace. Enter category. And end bracket. Go over to date of expense. Type in greater than.
The sign or just the greater than?
No, the literal sign, greater than, equal to.
Okay, let me see. Where is it at? Should have got my glasses.
It's by the shift on the loss. That's the less than. Greater than, bracket.
Bracket. Yep.
Enter start date. End bracket. Do greater than, equal to, I'm sorry.
Greater than, equal to again?
Yeah, no, where we have the greater than. Go to the start and then put equals. Greater than, equal to. Yes. All right, so the next thing I want you to do is double click on the top where you see under expense, date of transaction, at the top. At the top. Keep going up, keep going up, keep going up.
Going up.
Up, 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 up. Got it, right? Date of transaction. Double click on it. Double click. So come down to the criteria. Type in less than, equal to.
Less than, equal to.
Wrong symbol. That's greater than.
Yep. Got it.
And then the brackets again. And enter end date.
Bracket.
Yes. All right. And now click run. And so let's type in payroll. Click OK. Then it says my start date. So type in 0701/01/2020. Click OK. Then it says enter end date. So do 07/31. There's 31 days to this month, isn't there? 2020.
Yeah. So will that pick up those dates?
Click OK. Okay, so we didn't have any of those dates. I'd have to go look in. Yeah, but let's go back into expense.
So my date started in I started like a payroll 1 May. 1 May to basically 31 May 2019.
Oh, okay. Well, go back to view, design, and run it again.
Yep. Payroll. Start date. So I'll just do 01/ oh wait, no, I'm sorry. 05/01/.
You got it. It's not
backwards. So is that first one, is that the day or the month?
It's the month, day, year.
Then I'll just do 2.
And see, it shows up.
Okay.
So that is your query.
Right. I think that's my questions.
And then
So
do a
it's just-
report is stay with the report wizard. Don't venture far from there. Even in, you know, I'm no access. I've worked with it a lot. I don't venture far from the wizards because it gets complicated really fast.
So which one? Oh, okay. I see report wizard up. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
got
Click
it.
yes. Yes, yes.
Mhm.
And then do you want to send the query over? You just pull it down from the tables or the query and pull whatever you want and create a report.
So let me just say I do client history. So if I do client history,
What'll
do I just pull everything
happen
over?
is pull customer ID over. Click on customer ID. Then pull down the table and go get client. Push over the name. Seeing ID numbers without names is nothing. Then go back up and do client history again.
Yep.
And send over the rest of it. Click next. Finish. And put it in order by customer name.
That's to the top or?
That's the greater than sign. Click the greater than sign. Click. All right, click next.
And that's it?
Mm-hmm. You're almost finished. Click next.
Next.
Next. And finish. Okay, now all you got to do is clean it up a little bit. The pound signs mean the column's not big enough to show it all. So you would go into your view.
Where is it? So this is print preview. So would I close print preview and go to
Yeah,
view?
close that. And now here we are. So you get to go in and resize these things and resize the report. So now it's just a matter of working with it. So that data service was the one. So you'd click on it. All the others need to go over to the right some, which also means that your report needs to be a little bit longer or wider. Not there.
And that's
yep.
Right here.
Yep.
Let me just pull it up. And then data service need to go over.
What I would do is I'd click on amount charge, EMP ID, and highlight all of them. I'd click the amount charge first.
Oh, the amount charged?
Hold the control, click EMP ID, go get the titles, amount charge, EMP ID up at the top under page header. Where you see amount charge, click on those, control click, control click, control click. You got to do the other ones down at the bottom now. You goofed them up.
Oh, these right here?
Yeah, hold the control and then click. Now drag them to the right.
And I should be able to move them all?
Now hold the control click and then, yep, take it and go.
So why is it not? I'm still holding control and it's not taking.
Let go of control. Let go of control. And then there you go.
Okay. And then from there, I could just.
You can resize and do everything that you need to do.
Okay, cool deal.
And that's it.
Okay. So it's just the reports, the forms, and the queries. That was it.
Yes.
Okay. I think I should be good.
Create a user manual that goes with the client stuff on how to add or add a service, schedule, and that's it.
Yeah.
You're done. Create the user manual, put it all together.
Okay. Manual. Yep. All right. Can you send this to us, Miss G? So just in case I have any questions.
I will post it on Blackboard, probably under the announcements, like I did with the others.
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
All right.
Okay.
It'll be right
Yes,
under this announcement that says, hey, if you missed this, that here it is.
Okay. Okay. All right. Hey, I appreciate it, Miss G. I appreciate you taking the time. I think
No
Jason's
problem.
still on the line.
I see James. James, are you okay with everything?
Yes, I was just listening in and trying to follow along as you're on.
All right.
Would be very helpful.
I am going to publish this, so this one will be out there for you to look at. If you want to, my daughter's talking about going to the beach tomorrow, and I need a day at the beach.
Oh, yeah.
But we wouldn't spend the night or anything, so I'd be back here early on Sunday, you know, to get up and help you with everything. I know that's last minute, you know, but if we start early in the morning, there's still plenty of time if you need me.
Yes. Yep. I think I'm fine if I'll submit it. And if there's anything, then I'll just look at your comments.
Okay. I think you'll be fine.
Thank you for everything.
No problem.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Goodbye. You have a good evening.
Thank you too.
Thank you, ma'am.
James, do you have any specific questions?
No, ma'am. Seeing you walk through how to do those forms and queries and get the report, that's actually what I wanted to see. No, perfect.
Okay, so you're good now. I'm going to publish this, and it'll be there for you to review.
Sounds good.
Okay.
All right. All right.
Thank you.
We're done. Bye,
Thank
guys.
you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.